Alright guys, hey, good morning, hope y'all are well. Today, it's a super slow morning, guys, so I apologize if I'm starting late. I had to make my coffee, and, yeah, so sorry I started a little bit late. Hope you all are well. The market is so slow right now, it's so slow. I don't even know what we're supposed to do today. You know, here's BTBT. Gap it up a little bit. OCG is kind of up, but there's no volume follow through here. We've got IMPX that's gapping up some, but it doesn't look good either. Yeah, it's just a slow day, guys. Helion maybe, OCGN maybe, but man, we're gonna watch BTBT probably. The only two I'm looking at right now are IMPX and BTBT. And then we're watching coin. I'm holding coin from yesterday with 2 shares. Terrible entry. But like this is more of an investment. And so we're just going to probably let this sit. Unless we see some big profits today or some craziness. We're probably just going to let this sit for coin and A. We'll see what happens. Yeah, Doge made big moves, and I made money from it too. Yeah, I mean, I'm still in Doge with about 1,000 Dogecoin. About break even in the last day though. It didn't really run yesterday. It's about break even in the last day. So I mean, I'm in UNI though. I'm in UNI. Uniswap. It, on the other hand, is up. I'm in Algo as well. I'm trying to find something to move. SSY is kind of gapping up a little bit. We could watch SSY. It still doesn't look good, but like we can watch it. mRNA is kind of ripping up some. BTBT is gapping up after a big drop yesterday, and then again IMPX. That's about it, guys. I mean, I'm not seeing anything else right now except for coin. I mean, coin's obviously gapping up and volatile, and so we're gonna live trade that today if we can. Oh man, I got a yawn. Whew. Alright, I'm up. Whew. How incredibly slow, man. What's up, James? Yeah, if you want a Bittrex referral code, Junior, I got you, man. I just made 88 other people yawn. Hey. Yawn's coming soon, guys. Yawn coming soon. MKGI. Yawns are contagious. What a crazy slow day, though, guys. The last thing that popped up on the price spike scanners was at 4 a.m. Here's the SPY. SPY is up. And again, we can see BTBT. It's up slightly. Alright, so BTBT is up basically following Coinbase, is what I'm understanding here. Hey, thank you, Junior. I appreciate you using my link, bro. Somebody asked me to look at, what else they want me to look at? No. It's a slow day, guys. I mean, I'm waiting for something here. We got SHIP. Maybe this could be our shining mover today. Like, usually I don't struggle to find stuff to include in my keywords and titles. But today I did. There was just nothing, man. And yo, also want to say super appreciative everything you do. I'm just starting to day trade. My buddy introduced me to you about a month ago, and I've learned a hell of a lot. Just want to say thanks. Hey, I appreciate it, Just Playing. Thank you, brother. Appreciate the support, dude. Yeah, man. That's why I do it, man. It's cool to see. Cool to see people. Ow, man. Damn. Bro, I made the mistake here, guys. This is my mistake this morning. I made the mistake of taking my son's car's thermos. I thought it would be able to handle my coffee, and it just is not handling my coffee at all. This thing is just struggling. I can't even pick this thing up, man. I gotta pick it up from the top, bro. That's my mistake today. Lesson learned. Don't use this car thermos, man. Shout out to cars, but damn. KXIN spike it up a little bit here. Here's some volume for KXIN. Now, hopefully this will, spark some type of momentum here. But KXIN is starting to push. And so, hey, we're watching this right now, guys. Where's your KXIN? I'm going to add this to my watch list and, hopefully it'll be nice. We'll see. Guys, we'll see about that, But KXIN's getting a little bit of volume here. Now it's gone. What happened to it? It showed up on the scanner for like 2 minutes. It just faded back down. I feel like I'm the only person up looking at stocks this early, guys. I feel like I'm the only person up. Hey, it's alright. Good morning, team. Yeah, man. There we go. My bad. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, SYSX. Huge moves yesterday. Huge moves. Listen, I might trade it. I don't know. It's gonna charge me commissions if I trade it. We got KXIN pushing up here. It's at 280s now for KXIN. This is some volume coming in. I mean, it's better volume than we've seen prior till now. This is KXIN Auto. They announced the approval by the NASDAQ of the Hayatochi acquisition. So there's some type of, they announced the approval of their acquisition by NASDAQ. And we're watching this. It's up to 280s right now, guys. KXIN is an automotive stock and an automotive sales company, I believe, in China. And so they are ripping up. It's at 287s now. It's getting up to 290s. We'll see what happens at $3. But yeah, KXIN is moving some, you know. Hey, me too, Brandon. Where they at, bro? Where they at, dude? I'm ready for it. Hey, but yeah, KXIN looks good. We're at your KXIN here. We're gonna see what happens. Incredibly slow day, though, to be honest. Incredibly slow day. What a slow day, guys. It's crazy how slow it is right now. I mean, KXIN is the shining light in the market right now. We're going to see what happens here. Again, I'm in coin with it as one of the worst entries ever, but I'm still in it. Maybe investing in it a little bit. But here's KXIN trying to make some moves. It doesn't look too bad here for KXIN. We're watching it. Trying to hit my coffee. It's cold, man. It's cold. Or it's hot. Sorry. IMPX is kind of moving up a little bit. Here's IMPX, guys. Yeah, I'm in coin right now, bro. I'm in coin right now. I'm losing on it, but like it's more of an investment, and I might add to it if I have enough confidence in it. But I'm in 2 shares of coin. I'm currently down about $60, but like that's okay because you know the plan is just to hold this one I don't mind risking it. It's kind of a bucket list type of trade where I just want to say I was able to get into it when it IPO'd. I think eventually it's going to go up. But we got KXIN still pushing here. It looks good. KXIN looks good right now. It's the only one that looks good. We also kind of have really cheap penny stock ASRT up to 62 cents. And that's about it. INPX maybe. Gapping up. Very small range. Very small float. So yeah, we'll see what happens here, team. What a slow day, guys. Like, I know I started late this morning, but man. KXIN is the only one that looks good. If KXIN can put in a run, I mean, I'm interested in it. I'm interested in it if it can. It's the only one that looks good at this point in time. The only one. Again, they announced the approval of the NASDAQ Hayatoshi acquisition. And, let's see what the float is for KXIN here. Float is 39 million, so it's not necessarily a small float. They got about $1 million in cash, 5% short float percentage, 20 million in debt. So yeah, again, we're looking at BTBT as well. These two are the only ones that we're really paying attention to, is BTBT and KXIN. Hey, thank you, Gabe. Getting the donations early this morning, brother. I appreciate that, dude. Thank you, bro. Thank you, man. Keeping me in shape, sir. Keeping me in shape, Gabe. Thank you, brother. Probably. Honestly, I'm kind of bummed. Like, this is really what happened. Like, listen, I would love to say that my plan all along was to invest in coin. Okay, let me clarify some things, because like you guys know me, if I'm not anything, I'm honest, you know. So let me tell you guys what really happened here. Okay, I bought in. I waited for the coin IPO all day yesterday, like a little kid at the candy shop. You know, waited for an IPO all day for this coin IPO. Hey, thank you, Jeff. Hey, thank you, brother. I appreciate that, dude. Thank you, man. All day yesterday, I waited for this coin IPO. All day. You know, we streamed until like 12:30 my time. Like, I didn't eat. I sat there waiting for the coin IPO. Then I closed down the stream, and literally within 20 minutes, I'm in Trader Mike's room, and I hear Eric be like, coin is live. And so I'm like, what? And by the time I look at coin, I'm like, oh, okay, I want to trade this thing. I just want to be able to say I traded it, right? And so I look at this thing, and it's up, way up here. It's like right here. And so I'm like, wow. You know, even still, like I was up like $40 still, you know. But I was like, nah, I'm going to let this work. And then it just crashed down on me. It just tanked on me. You know, it just reversed and just, no, not today. And just crashed on me, guys. And now I'm basically investing in it, I guess. You know. That's really the investment. And listen, like I said, like I have the money to be able to be like, if I lose this, I'll be okay. It's not going to bankrupt me losing on coin. But like, am I happy about it? A little bit. I like I said yesterday during yesterday's stream, I do believe in the company. And I think it's the first of its kind. And I think that, you know, once it settles out a little bit, it'll get into a nice uptrend. But we'll see. You know, we'll see. My risk is probably around 250. Is where I'm risking, and we'll you know, I'm okay with it. If I lose, the most I'll lose on this trade will be like $300 or $400, and so like I'll be all right. But yeah, that's what happened to me yesterday. You know, And like I said, I would love to sit here and be like, yeah, this was my plan all along. I was just going to hold those. I was just going to invest in coin. You know, those minor 30% drops don't matter. I would love to just invest in coin. But that's not really what happened. Like, let me be honest. That's not really what happened, you know? What happened is that I probably fanboyed a stock a little bit too much here. And, you know, that stock came and got its revenge on me. Hey, it's okay. But we're in it. We might add to it. I don't know. I've accepted the loss regardless, you know. And we'll have some fun with it. You know, at least I'll be able to say I traded the coin IPO, you know. AMC and GameStop, though, on the other hand, are... AMC is up. GameStop moved up big yesterday. And it's sitting over 150s here. And that's the level I want to see it hold over. I want to see AMC and GameStop specifically hold over 150. That's really what I want to see. I want to see it hold over 150 here. Here's GameStop. Here's AMC. AMC, I need to see it get over $10. I think $10 is going to be the big milestone level for AMC and GameStop. There's AMC right there. I'm watching 10. Here's GameStop here. I'm looking at 150s below us to see if it actually holds that. But the way I'm going to trade GameStop and AMC is the same way I traded it yesterday. I'm actually up really big on Webull with GameStop. You know, I bought GameStop way down here at like 140 something on Webull. So I am up a nice, cool, you know, I'm making the money back I lost on coin on GameStop. Dare I say, maybe not to the moon, but to the clouds, maybe? I don't know. And then we got AMC here. And I'm in 10 shares of this as well. Way down here at like 9 something. So, hey, we're great in these trades. And you know, I'm holding them both on Webull. And the reason I'm holding them on Webull is so I can't sell them. Listen, I'm a big whip. If I see it on Thinkorswim, I'm probably going to sell it. And so, you know, to keep me from selling my positions too fast and being Johnny Paper Hands over here, then I am just going to keep it on Webull and try not to look at it. You know, so, hey, let me know what you think about that, guys. We got KXIN still trying, getting rejected, and I'm kind of sad to see this rejection because this was the only one that looked good this morning. It was the only one that looked good this morning. Johnny, what a weirdo, bro. Y'all should see some of the comments people leave me that YouTube censors, bro. I'm glad they censor it too, because that's a weird comment, bro. What a weird dude. Just desperate for attention like a little kid, man. Come on, bro. Stop being weird, dude. Alright. Here's INPX2. Here's BTBT2. Let me know what you think coin is going to do in the chat. In fact, let me get a vote here. Chat, put a 1 if you think coin is going to break 450 this year. Not even this year. This month. Put a 1 in the chat if you think coin is going to break 450. Put a 2 in chat if you think coin is going to break underneath 250 this month. And if you think they're going to do both, hit a 1-2 on us. You know, let's see it. Let's hear it. Let's see what the chat has to say about this today, guys. Alright, so 1, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish and bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. Alright. I think we got more bulls than bears. Judging the sentiment here for coin. We've got more bulls than bears, you know. So that's always a good thing. Dapper, stop it. We don't need all your 1s, bro. You're clouding up my judgment here, sir. You know? Oh, man, coffee tastes good, though, guys. I can't lie. Newsflash, guys. Coffee's good. I like it. We got BTBT here. I'm kind of looking at CLF as well. We're going to look at OCG here. It's fake popping up. It looks like it's gapping up, but it's really not. But KXIN, yeah, KXIN, you know, Bitcoin sitting at 62.6K here. Again, AMC, GameStop, and KXIN are what we're really focusing on right now. We'll see what happens here with it, but that's kind of what we're watching right now, guys. Yeah, I can kind of feel that Nighthawk. Yeah, I'm checking out ASRT. It's on my list today. It's gapping up some. Listen, if I gotta trade a sub-dollar stock, I will. Y'all don't tip me over here. I used to trade these a ton, bro. Like, listen, and I made some money with them. And in some ways, I think these are more predictable. I think these are more manic depressive. You know what I mean? They run up big. They crash big. They don't hold their gains very often, but when they do, they go parabolic. And so, you know, I've traded these a little bit. Oh, man. What's up, Sweet Al? Yeah, you're probably right, Brendan. And what's up, Sweet AI? I don't know if it's Sweet AI or Sweet Owl, but it's okay. All right. What is this? We got a collaboration request. Who are you? Dedicated video or interview on your channel. Okay. That's cool. Alright. Alright, guys. Yeah, I mean, somebody sent me I should collab with Trey. You know, I probably, to be honest, the way I look at collaborations is unless they reach out to me, I'm not going to do them. And the reason for that is because I'm just going to assume every other YouTuber hates me. You know, listen. And so I'm not saying they do, but like I'm assuming they do. You know, listen, because if I was them, I would hate me too. You know, so hey, I'm just over here living life as a YouTuber, trading stocks, guys. Trading stocks, just living life. You know. All right, but yeah, KXIN is the only one. It's literally the only gapper right now. It's the only gapper over $1. And like maybe we can delve into futures. Like we'll see what we get. These IPOs got my freaking number, bro. They got my number hard, man. They just have my number, man. These IPOs, they just got my number. What am I supposed to do? You know, look at Coin. Hey, here's Coin. Wait, what is that? Whoa, Scott Cioni. Did you hear the good news on GameStop? They're going to be going full digital and probably dumping. Wait, what did he say? I missed it, Scott. Hey, thank you, brother. Appreciate the support there, dude. Where'd it go? There it goes. All right. Did you hear about the news on GameStop? They're going to be full digital. They're going full digital and probably dumping all their storefronts, which will be a huge saving for the company. And that's what they need to do. Like, again, I'm not going to say I said it, but I said it. You know, and of course I didn't predict it. I mean, I think that's the obvious and self-evident business decision that they should have made, right? The people holding on to physical copies of video games are, you know, outliers at this point in time. Most people just download their games digitally. And so, you know, with that said, GameStop needs to move away from retail stores. It's a huge money pit. For it, and they're just going to make less and less and less money at those retail stores. And so if GameStop wants a chance to survive, sure, if by keeping the retail stores open, they might have more income bringing in, because they're still going to be making money from these stores, but they're going to be focusing too much on that and not focusing enough on the evolution of their company, which is what I think they need to do. And so it's like, if they kept the retail stores open, it would be one of those things where they might stay alive a little bit longer, but they would have a worse chance of actually having that longevity in business, right? Where if they try to switch their business model now, if it fails, they're going to fail sooner, but they have a much better chance, a noticeably better chance of actually surviving and continuing and doing well. And so that's my logic on GameStop, and I think that's the right move. But yeah, I appreciate the $10, Scott. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it, man. Like I said, I've talked a lot of smack about GameStop. Maybe I'm a believer now. I don't know. It depends. To be honest, you know, listen, I'm not hating on GameStop. I'm in GameStop. I bought a GameStop yesterday at $150, and my plan is to invest in it. But I'm okay with losing that $140 as well, and I have to understand that that's certainly a possibility too. But yeah, thank you, Scott. Hey, y'all are getting the donations running early today. If it could be a slow market day, at least we can roll up some donations, guys. Thank you, team. But yeah, thank you, Scott. I appreciate that, brother. Thank you, man. Let me add this to the count. Makes it 12 and then 17. Thank you, guys. Appreciate the love. Appreciate the support. Also, y'all hit the subscribe button, guys. We are like 25 subscribers away from breaking 64,000 subscribers on this channel. I really want to get to 70. 70s, I think 70 is a really nice sounding number, you know, for subscribers, and so we just need 6,000 more. Should be pretty. We should get that pretty quickly, but you know, YouTube. I think YouTube's finally done doing their subscriber purge. Yesterday, my subscribers acted noticeably better than they did, and so I think YouTube's subscriber purge is finally done. I know it affected a lot of, like, basically all channels that were paying attention. You know, they lost a lot of subscribers over the last week and a half. Like, if you look at my analytics, my subscriber rate went from like ridiculously high and then just tanked. For the last week, since specifically April 5th. So for the last 10 days. But it's finally back, and my subscribers are finally growing back at a normal, you know, solid rate of 100 to 300 subscribers a day. Yesterday we hit like 200 subscribers. So yeah, so we're finally back growing, and we should hit that, you know, few months. We'll hit 70K, maybe a month or two. We'll hit 70K. And yeah, let's keep growing, guys. Hit the subscribe button. Show your support. Help pump this channel up on a slow market day, guys. Let's pump this channel up, guys. We got KXIN is the only one that looks good. We're in coin down, and we're gonna cry about it. We're watching IMPX here, but the volume's incredibly low and boring. And then we're basically just peeping out other stuff to see if we can find something to trade. ASRT is kind of gapping up some, and I don't see a catalyst for this. I don't know what the reason for this is being up. I don't know what the reason this being up is. But let's see if we can find it for ASRT. I see the music has stopped. I'm sure we got about, you know, I would say about 5 people yelling at me about music as well. So let me get that going here. There we go. But yeah, thank you guys for the support. I also see somebody said, CPAP, are you going to be watching the new IPO eBet today? Any thoughts? Yeah, I can watch it. What is eBet? Let me look it up, man. I'm down to check it out. I mean, IPOs kind of have my number, but like I'm interested in seeing what's going on with it. $6 per share. Alright, so yeah, it's supposed to begin today. I'm not seeing it right now, but it's supposed to begin today for eBet. So yeah, we'll watch it. What is this? Let's look it up. Esports Technologies plan to offer 2 million shares to investors, $5 to $6 per share. It's an online platform. It's expected to price its IPO in the range of $4.50 to $5. It's supposed to start tomorrow or today sometime. I don't know what it's gonna be, but we'll watch it regardless. Just yell at me if you see it IPOing CPAP, and I'm down to trade it. It just depends, man. But yeah, I appreciate the $5, brother. Thank you, dude. Appreciate the support, man. Yeah, no, my bad, CPAP. I got you, bro. Sorry, dude. But yeah, that's I'm down to trade it. It just depends on if it looks good today. And I appreciate the donation, brother. We got like OCGN we can watch, AREC that we could watch too, but I'm skeptical with some of these. Wait, did I hit the monetization button? I did. Okay, good. Good morning. Can you do a training video on how traders get trapped and how not to get trapped? Sure. I can talk about it right now. So when you get trapped in a trade, guys, nobody mentioned coin for this. You know, I'm not trapped in here. You know, wink, wink. You know, but no, this is a little bit different. It's an IPO, and my goal wasn't to day trade it. Really, it was to buy it and hold for at least a few days. But man, this thing just dumped on me. Unpleasant. But yeah, okay. The way you avoid getting trapped is just by establishing a solid risk and sticking to that risk. Alright, so like if you don't want to bag hold, you just need to be very strict with your risk level. And so like say this is your risk level. You know, when this breaks underneath here, you need to get out, because if not, you're gonna be stuck in that. And so, you know, it might seem simple, but that's how you avoid getting trapped. Is you look for, number one, you look for range breaks, but it's also about identifying the sentiment and understanding what trend we're in, what type of trend, which is kind of what it's all about. And so, yeah, it just depends on what you're doing. It depends on the trade, but the best way you can avoid getting trapped is just by giving yourself a risk level and then sticking to that, not being stubborn with it. Because like a lot of traders get into the habit of just kind of averaging down, you know, when they're losing. And like I said, I've done it before. I might do it today with coin, but it's a little bit different of a trade. But at the same time, I don't practice what I preach, or I might not be practicing what I preach there. And I think that establishing a risk level and then sticking to that risk level is one of the most important parts of like learning how to trade. Is like giving yourself that risk, sticking to that risk level, and not letting emotions influence the trade. You know, you got to accept the loss when you enter the trade. Anytime you enter a position, you got to just accept that loss. And regardless of what that loss is, you know, it's important that you accept that before you enter the trade. And if that's basically how you're going to be able to avoid getting trapped. But there's a lot of other nuances to it. Hey, what's up, Preston? Hey, thank you, Jazz. But yeah, traders get trapped for this reason. Neil. They get trapped from ignoring trend changes a lot of the time. And so like the VWAP being a milestone level, a lot of other traders are watching for this level. And so when we actually break over this level, you know, or under this level, for instance, you need to understand that this stock might completely turn the other way and not come back here. Like when a stock breaks under the VWAP, especially, you know, a trending stock like this, a lot of the times it's not going to come back. You know what I mean? Especially in penny stocks. And so if you get stubborn and refuse to exit, it's gonna hurt. You know, and so with BTBT, it's a good example of it, and there's a bunch of other examples like that yesterday. I'm seeing if we can find anything else here, but understanding the VWAP and where it is will help you avoid getting trapped too. I think a lot of penny stock traders especially use the VWAP to determine sentiment, and so with that, you know, they're using the VWAP to identify where the sentiment is, and you know, a lot of the time they're shorting it under the VWAP. A lot of the time longs are selling under the VWAP, so like longs are getting stopped out when it breaks under the VWAP, and vice versa for shorts. And so with that said, you got to just understand the sentiment of the stock, and that takes time, and nobody's going to understand it completely, but your goal as a trader with momentum trading is to read the sentiment and understand where the momentum and good volume is coming in and where the bad volume is going into on the downside. And to be honest, what normally happens with trapped traders, guys, so like if we look at how traders get trapped in a position, the most likely time that happens is on big run-ups. So like if we have a big run-up and then a big crash, you know, that is usually when traders are trapped. So you get a big run-up, a big crash, and then it goes like this, you know, and so that's usually when traders get trapped. And so if you look at that, when it comes back up, like anytime, like if people buy it right here and they get stuck in a position, right, when it finally starts to move back up, there might be some resistance there because people are going to be taking profits once they're actually break even or green after being red for so long. And so it's like understanding big swings is what causes people to get trapped the most, really. Like big swings up and down. And so understanding that and maybe waiting for more confirmation after those big swings, and then just setting yourself a risk level and sticking to that risk level is the easiest way to avoid getting trapped. At least that's what I would do. Yeah, me too, Dream. That's kind of how I feel about it too. Like I said, like, yeah, okay, so I traded coin for a few reasons. Part of it was content reasons. Like, I like trading it for content, and, you know, we're in it. We're losing, but we're in it, you know. We're only down like $62. So, like, in the grand scheme of things, you know, we're not doing that bad here for coin. Now we got ASRT. That's up to 63 cents. We're watching that. And that's about it, guys. This market is super slow. BTBT is one we're watching too. So yeah, like, we're watching a bunch of stuff here. Weird, man. Mr. Bull, yes, I'm using the VWAP. A large majority of traders pronounce it like that. It's spelled with an A, but like a lot of traders pronounce it VWAP because VWAP sounds funny. So most people are calling it the VWAP. Most traders are, at least from what I've understand. And so, you know, I think it's, you know, trivial though how I pronounce it. Hey, thank you, CPAP. Yeah, KXIN is the only good one right now, guys. It's the only good one. Everything else is slow. AGL, APP, KRT, TSB. Yeah, I'll check those out, CPAP. I'll check them out for sure, bro. Yeah, I'll check those out. I'm gonna write those down, CPAP, and I appreciate the donation, brother. But yeah, I'll write those down. Just to see if we get something in here. I'm ready. I mean, I made money overnight in my Kraken account. I'm trying to see how. I guess from Uni being back up some. Orchid is up too. Yeah, thank you, Dapper. Yeah, I mean, here's KXIN. We got QUIK popping up here, but even that is very slow. GSK, SEAC. Look at GSK. I mean, GSK is ripping up. I don't know why, but this one doesn't look bad. The range isn't huge, but, you know. It's probably enough for us to still trade it. Yeah, no worries, Mr. Bull. Alright, guys. Wait, what? Dude, YouTube is acting weird, bro. Super weird. That's super strange, bro. Whoa. Hey, thank you, brother. I appreciate that, dude. Yeah, YouTube's acting strange, though, guys. It's super weird. Yeah, y'all hit that like button. Help support the channel. It's not. It's super strange. Well, like what I looked over is that none of the keywords are ranking. So like I'm not showing up in search anywhere. That's weird. Y'all tell me if I show up in search for y'all. Y'all let me know if I show up in search for y'all. Cause like it's super weird. Like, I don't know if it's just a data issue or what, but like I'm not showing up in search at all. Yeah. Yeah, Key said it's not showing up. Yeah, it's not showing up for me either. I don't know if it's just me or like what it is. Let me go look. Let me switch and let me switch something and test this out. Yeah, it's not even showing up on live on my end, which is off. Weird. Yeah. Okay, so it does show up under Day Trading Martin for me. It's not. Yeah, I'm looking that up as well, Tanvir. It's weird, bro. Yeah, and look, we're losing subscribers right now. That's super strange, bro. Like none of my stuff is showing up in on YouTube whatsoever, man. Super strange, bro. Weird. Like my old videos are. So like my old videos are. I don't think this is just me either. I'm looking at everybody else too. How weird, bro. Ugh. I mean, it could be just the slowness of stocks. Look at GSK. GSK's pushing up. But it's weird because I can't see like I have this tool that shows me where I'm ranked relative to keywords, and it's just not showing up for anything. Let me see if I can see more. Hey, thank you, Alias. I appreciate that. So yeah, look, we're looking at GSK here, and I'm watching to see why GSK pushed up. But like, this is off. Yeah, that's what I was looking at, pawn. Yeah. It doesn't look like it's just me either. It looks like everybody. Like, I don't think everybody's showing up. It's just weird, you know. No, I have it. I have it, Martin. Which is why it's weirding me out, brother. It's why it's weirding me out, man. It's just strange. What happened is that the keyword stopped ranking on everything. And it's not just me. Like, if you look at live streaming on YouTube, it's off. Like, even the people up it's off. Man, Google's on some weird stuff lately, man. How strange. Like, even if I look, my videos from yesterday are live. Like, I know it's a slow day, and like maybe that has to do with it. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to do that. All right, but yeah, we got GSK making moves here. We got GSK making moves. It's just strange. Like, I can contact him and see what's up. Here's GSK, SRTS. TIRX is trying here. We got Coin making moves too. But KXIN is the only really one that looks good. I'm also looking at SRTS, but it needs some more volume. There's not really much there. TIRX is the other one from the other day. Yeah, I see OCG, BTBT is the only other two that I'm watching. Well, that's good, Robbie. It's not that. It's just that right now, for some reason, keywords aren't ranking. Or at least I can't see them if they're ranking. And it wouldn't appear that they are. Hold on, guys. I'm going to mute everything for a second. I'll be right back, team. I want to look at something real quick. Hold on. Yeah, I mean, what's up, guys? So yeah, it's not about whether you can search it as beginner trading. It's about the keywords I'm using. Like, you'll be able to find my channel, like for sure. Like, my channel has enough backlinks to you'll be able to find my channel. It's not about that. It's about every keyword I use. Like, it doesn't work. Like, it's weird. Like, usually, okay, the way it works on YouTube is like you use keywords, right? So you use like day trading, live day trading, which is what this is. It's not like they're embellishing keywords. It's not like they're not real keywords. Like, it's live day trading, which is what I do here. At this point, none of the keywords are registering, which is strange. So it's basically like I have no keywords, and so in turn, the stream isn't showing up on any of the searches that I'm seeing. Like, you might be able to find my channel on the stream search. Let me know if you can find this actual live stream right here. No, because okay, so here's the reality. Like, I have this tool that shows me where I'm ranking for each keyword, right? Each keyword right now there's nothing showing up. So it's basically like it all went away. Like, it all disappeared. Like, all of my search traffic disappeared. Like, all the traffic I was getting from search. It's strange. It's strange. And I'm seeing some other channels that are looking a little weird too, to be honest. But I stopped registering for all the searches I was using, which is weird. Usually I'm showing up in search at least once for some of these keywords. Yeah. Alright, let me try that. We can try that. Yeah, I see yesterday's, I see the day before's stream, but today's stream's not showing up, and it's also not registering for any of my keywords, which is weird. Yeah, today's stream's not up there, which is what explains why we have such low traffic right now. I mean, I know we got like 350, 400 people here, but like, that's off. What happened to all the big channels? Like, why aren't these showing up in chat? More importantly, is the question. Yeah, hopefully they're doing some maintenance. Yeah, AM, it's strange, bro. It's strange. And like I said, I can tell from the traffic I'm getting. I can tell from the amount of traffic the stream is getting. Usually we get, usually we got like 700 people here, 600 people here. We got 370, so it's low. At the same time, though, like, the volume in the market is low. So, like, it is what it is, but it's still weird. It's strange. I'll have to reach out to them and ask them, but it's weird. Not used to seeing it like that. Strange. Yeah. Yeah, hey. Yeah, it's Ancient Aliens, guys. That's what it is. Anyways, we got BTBT moving up. Everything's very slow, though, right now, team. So it's very slow. Crypto-related stock, BTBT. So I think it's just moving up on the Coinbase IPO. But it might get influenced by the IPO. Like, if coin drops here, then BTBT might drop with it. We'll see. Let me see. I'm not even showing up on mine for that. Maybe I'll put up a different window here. Or maybe let me look up. I see my channel in my old videos. I'm talking about today's live stream. So I'm going to sign out of this and see what happens there. Weird. Yeah, that's weird, Eric. Yeah, for sure. Hey, maybe Sean. DNN. Yeah, we can look at DNN here. I can see UK as well. UK's popping up, but not enough volume here. I see IBC trying to make some moves, and IBC, it's a little bit better. It's on the New York Stock Exchange. We can watch it. Here's coin right there. BTBT, APXT. APXT is not that bad of a gap here either. Let's see what else we can find though. It's just weird. It's off. Alright, so I'm seeing APXT. It is a acquisition SPAC, I believe. It's a SPAC, so that makes sense. Here's AMC right now. So here's AMC. Here's GameStop. And so we're watching these two clearly as well. We're going to see what happens with these two. Yeah, I'll put some music on. Honestly, guys, I'm gonna have to see what this stream does. It's kind of weird that the stream's doing this. And so, like, if it gets too bad, I might just close it down and trade by myself today. I don't know. It's just weird. I don't want it to affect my channel like that. So, like, it's just weird. Like, I might reach out to them and see. But like, let me check Twitter to see what's going on with this. Hefe, I'm not saying the people here don't matter. What I'm saying, though, is that if this stream is going to hurt my channel by lowering my average view count, then I might need to pause it and reach out to YouTube to see what's going on. Like I said, it's very strange. Like, it's not, okay, it's not like, it's not like the channel just stopped getting, views for like one or two keywords. The channel stopped ranking as an entirety on YouTube search. Which is very strange. And again, another thing that makes me think it's some type of glitch is because I've looked at other channels that are similar to mine, and like they are doing the same thing. Like their channels aren't showing up in search either. Like ones that I usually see. Yeah. Yeah, YouTube numbers have been strange lately. Yeah, we could try restarting the stream and see, but it's just weird. Hey, what's up? What's up, Scott? How you doing, brother? Yeah, I need more rants. Yeah, I don't see any live streams in my search. Probably a glitch. Yeah, maybe so. No, it's usually not happening at 8 a.m. It's a slow day today, though, for sure. I see TAOP showing up, though. So, like, TAOP's trying to come back. We're watching it. AVGR's trying to come back, too. Again, what it is, though, like, what I'm seeing is weird for me as a creator. You know what I mean? And, like, in the end, guys, y'all should understand, like, I gotta protect my channel, you know, over everything. You know, I get it. You guys want to hang out with me, and I understand. But, like, I gotta do what I gotta do to protect my channel, too. And if something weird is going on, then, like, I need to do what I gotta do to protect the channel. You know, this thing, it's took me years to build this channel. You know what I mean? So it's like, yeah, it's certainly a priority of mine. Y'all are gonna have to understand that. Yeah, it's just weird, to be honest. Very strange. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if we need to stop the stream. I'm just thinking about, talk about cannabis boost the traffic. Look at INO. INO is ripping up, though, guys. So I'm watching INO here. What else we got? Alright, so yeah, look at INO, guys. INO is making a move here. I'm also seeing ARTL. Tops. GLSI. OGEN. Coin, obviously. KXIN. And that's about it right now. There's nothing else really moving here, team. Yeah, yeah, guys. Bro, get out of here, Robo. Like, dude, nobody cares about you, bro. Like, get out of here, dude. Like, to be honest, like, mostly what you've said here has been negative, so, like, have a good day, sir. Like, I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with my channel, guys. You guys should understand. Listen, I'm here every day. Every day. Y'all want to rant? Here it is. I'm here every day with you guys, team. Every single day. For 5 hours a day. I don't eat breakfast, you know, all that stuff. And so I have dedicated a lot of time here. If y'all are going to get mad because I got to close it down and check out what's going on, then y'all aren't really being reasonable. You know what I mean? In the end, I got to figure out what's wrong with YouTube. It's acting strange, and I got to figure out what it is. So y'all stop being weird about it and have some understanding regarding it. Thank you, Todd. I appreciate it, bro. Yeah, for free. Like, come on. Like, y'all are being difficult. Like, y'all want to rant? Listen, y'all poked me into it. Robo needs to get out of here. He's just negative. He's just looking for reasons to criticize. TAOP making moves. Yeah, TAOP rip it up here. It's at 870s, guys. 870s. We'll see what happens there, too. Rant. Hey, y'all got it. Y'all coked me into it, man. But seriously though, like I said, guys, listen, I'm here every day. I stream for 6 hours a day. I don't even eat breakfast. I'm here at 5 a.m. my time. And so it's like, if I gotta close a stream down one day to figure out what's wrong with the channel that I've dedicated so much time to, it doesn't matter if I'm a trader or I'm not a trader. It matters that if something weird is going on, I gotta get to the bottom of it. I can't just say, hey, you know, I'm just gonna stream anyway and see what happens. Like, I gotta figure out what's wrong with the channel first. Yeah. Hey, thank you guys. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the old ones are showing up. Yeah. I appreciate the words of support. Like I said, I don't mean to yell. Usually I'm in an okay mood, but like if somebody's just poking at me, just trying to be negative, they're about to get insta-banned in here. Especially somebody that doesn't really contribute anything but being negative. You know what I mean? Like in the end, I don't care who it is. Like y'all be negative, y'all get banned. But it could also be it's a slow day. Like at the same time, it could be a slow day. It's just usually at this time I have 700-800 people here minimum. So the fact that we got 350 is a little weird. You know what I mean? It's a little weird. I'm trying to figure out if it's just me or if it's all the other people. Do y'all see it happening to everybody else, or is it just me? No, it's everybody else too, man. Or no, it's not just me. Okay, so maybe it is just me. Or no, maybe it's not just me. I'm sorry. I see it happening to other people. So maybe we'll stick around. But it's just off. Weird. Anyways. Yeah, we got TAOP rip it up. It's at 820, so we're watching that. We're going to see what happens there. Right. Yeah, for sure, Jose. Yeah. That was a weak rant. Taylor. Hey. Yeah, thank you, James Bond. I appreciate that, brother. Yeah, I mean, like I said, people feel entitled on YouTube. It's all good. You know, like they'll be alright. We do have some movement now. Like I'm seeing TAOP move up. It's just strange. It's just off. Come on, John, give us a rant. Hey, maybe next time, bro. Maybe next time. Hey, I'm in coin. Listen, y'all want to hear me rant? I can talk about coin. Let me see what else we got. Let me put some music back on. Hold on. There we go. Hey, thank you, BKM. I appreciate that, dude. How do you see that, Howard? If it's a current known database sync problem, how do you see that, brother? Hey, we're in coin. Like I said, guys, I'll tell the story of how I lost money on coin. This is how I lost money on coin. I lost money on coin because I was waiting for it like a kid in a candy shop all day. Like I assumed would probably happen, it ran up at the opening of the IPO. Now, I didn't hear about this run up until like 20 minutes later. And so by the time I bought it, I was way up here. But I still was green. I was up like, you know, a solid gain for where I entered. I was up like 30 or 40 bucks in the trade. And then it just dumped down. And now I'm trapped in it. Now, I'm not trapped in it. I'm probably going to invest in this one regardless. But it's certainly not feeling good for me. And yeah, we'll see what happens here. It's certainly not looking great. But I'm going to hold it, and we're going to see if it rebounds. The other one that looks good today is INO. Now, INO doesn't look bad. INO still looks pretty good. And we're watching INO to see what happens here. Yeah, I certainly did, M. Johnson, bro. I certainly did, bro. Hey, what's up, Howard? Yeah, Howard, how do you know that's going on, bro? Is that something that you know is going on? Let me see. Okay. Hey, I appreciate it, Howard. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Lisa. I appreciate that. Thank you. Yeah, we'll see, Scott. We'll see. Hey, Jim Kramer says he likes Coinbase to 475. Shout out to Two-Way. Hey, INO making moves. We got TAOP. So, INO, TAOP, and KXIN are the only ones that look good this morning. The only ones that look good. What's up, Rain? Hey. HMBL, Humble. Yeah, it's an OTC stock though, brother. It's just not really my wheelhouse, you know. It's just not really my wheelhouse. We got SINO trying to move up. We got BGI trying. I'm looking at it, but again, it's just not really my wheelhouse right here. Not something I generally trade. We got AMC trying to move up here. Here's AMC. Here's BTBT trying to make some moves. INO, LIZI. But yeah, INO, KXIN, and TAOP are the only three that look good. Everything else is very slow. I just don't like OTC stocks that much. They're just not really my style. Hey, what's up, James? How you doing, brother? Hey, I am the YouTube guru. Hey. We got PBLA moving up. We got Gamble, GMBL, pushing up here. I know we have that other gambling IPO that's dropping today. We got AMC that's kind of moving up some. It's at 970s right now. At 970s. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, Scott, prior till today, my live streams were ranking #1 and #2 for a lot of different things. Like a lot of my viewers, I gained like 30-40% of my viewers from search traffic in my live streams. And so my keyword and titles have been great so far. The problem though is not anything regarding like the inefficiency of my title or keywords. The problem is that it's not ranking for literally anything, which is a complete change overnight. Like if you looked at my keywords and titles yesterday and then looked at them today, it's just a night and day difference. Like the same keywords, same title, basically. A little bit different. I switch it up. I customize the title for each day. But for some reason, my channel is not showing up at all in search right now. Like at all. And that's the alarming thing. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I can check it on my phone and see what shows up. I mean, you could search my channel. Like, my channel's gonna show up. It's not my channel. What's more so is the keywords I'm using not showing up as keywords. Like, that's the weirdest part. Alright, let me switch this music up. And it's weird, like my stream from yesterday is up, but like today's stream is not. Yeah. Yeah, yes sir, John Fred. You know it, bro. You know it, brother. Hey, these songs go hard, dude. They go hard, man. DJ Dins is dope, bro. I like a lot of his music on here. All right, we got WORX popping up here. Here's WORX. Here's HUSN. There's INO. And here's INO, guys. Let's look at the catalyst here. INO's catalyst is that they said that their COVID-19 vaccine, INO 4800, provides broad cross-reactive immune responses in humans against variants of concern. That's the catalyst here for INO, is that they're a positive vaccine candidate for this one. Again, we also have KXIN here. KXIN trying to make a run. It's at 260s right now for KXIN. They received NASDAQ approval for the Hayatoshi acquisition, and so we're watching that. I see, what was the other one? So, yeah, so far we got TAOP popping up big and then failing back down here. So we're looking at TAOP. They signed a 24 million purchase agreement with Bitmain. So a big purchase agreement for 24 mil for TAOP. We have AMC running up here, guys. Here's AMC. It's at 980s. 980s. And yeah, that's basically it. We're going to see what happens. Yeah, for sure, Cole. That's exactly right, bro. That's what's so concerning. Yeah, it's temporary, for sure, Howard. Like, we're good, brother. We're good. They'll fix it. And like I said, I just don't want it to drag down me and the algorithm, because it takes a long time to build this up. You know what I mean? And, like, you guys should understand that. Like, listen, I don't charge for anything. I don't charge a course. I don't charge for a course. I don't sell a service. Everything is free. I don't charge a penny for anything except for push-ups. And that's obviously people just want to support. And so they know what they're getting with the push-up thing. But it's off. It's strange. But if it's a known issue, Howard, I appreciate you updating me on it, brother. And we'll see what happens with it. I'm just hoping, you know, they get it straight. And here's Coin. I mean, Coin's moving back up. It's at 350s. I'm going to watch 350. I'm going to hope it stays over this. And we'll see. Like, here's 350 right here. Hey, what's up, Walter? Hey, 1 second, brother. Yeah, I have that already, Martin. It's already in there, bro. Yeah, INO is probably my favorite looking one right now. I don't know if it is or not, but INO is probably my favorite one. We're gonna see what happens with it, but like, I'm watching INO. It's just interesting. It's like the people that are watching the stream now are just people that would be here regularly. So like, it's all good. You know, I appreciate the support. Yeah, I'm holding a little bit of Coin. A little bit. Yeah, I kind of agree with you, Cole. Like, I think if Robinhood is going to succeed long term, it needs to really reinforce that user-friendly platform. Like, I think if Robinhood has a good characteristic, it's being simple to use for beginners. I think that's the only good thing about Robinhood. I think it's a worse platform. If you know what you're doing in trading, it's a worse platform, worse fills. Just better platforms are out there that give you the same stuff for free, like Webull. And so, yeah, of course, it's my own subjective opinion, but like, I kind of got to agree with him on Robinhood and all that stuff. I just think that if you're a brand new trader, sure, try Robinhood. INO is breaking highs, guys. Look at INO. It's at 997s. Yeah. Hey, thank you, Leo. I appreciate it, brother. Thank you, D. Okay, well, yeah, at least the notifications are working. Yeah, thank you, Howard. Okay, so been giving the Benzinga trial a chance, wondering how you set up your scanners. Do you have a tutorial uploaded? Yes, so I don't have a tutorial, but the scanners are simple. These are just the mover scanners. Alright, so these are the mover scanners. You could switch them from pre-market to regular, all that good stuff. And so all I'm doing with this one is looking at gainers over the pre-market session, over the entire session, and then max everything else out. So this is just the biggest gainers of the day. For this one, we're looking at pre-market gainers and losses over the last 5 minutes, so big swings up and down. For this right one, this bottom right one is just my watch list, which I'm going to have to build another one here. We're going to have to build this watch list. It mostly includes TAOP. I'm going to go ahead and add some of this stuff to the list. TAOP, it includes ASRT, KXIN, INO certainly. We're going to throw SINO on there. AMC, GameStop. And that's about it right now. This is really my watch list right now. I don't see anything else that looks good. I'm seeing SLS and Rave show up, but I don't see anything else that really looks good there. So, you know, we'll see. Hey, what's up, Ronan? But also, yeah, the movers is what we're doing. Also, guys, Benzinga has a new form of scanner out. So Benzinga has a new scanner out, which I'm super excited about, guys. And it's one of the reasons I'm a little bummed. At the same time, though, like, we're going to make it work regardless here. But they do have a new scanner. We're Where'd it go? When does it drop? I'm trying to find it right now. I don't know if it's out now. Let me talk to my contact here. It might be in Screener. Sorry guys, I'm using this new screener tool, and it's honestly super dope. Like, look at this tool for Benzinga here. Alright, so right now I'm looking at volume over 2 million. I'm looking at, where'd it go? Let me stretch it out a little bit more. Alright, looking at volume over 2 million. Under $20. We're looking at, let's see if we can get the market cap. Let's go to small. Alright, let's go to micro. Or nano. Well, let's see. Let's get a good base here. We're gonna go to small caps, which are micro caps, and that's pretty effective. And yeah, this is basically the main ones I'm watching, except for I&O. Let's see what I&O is doing here. So this is one of their new scans, guys. This is one of their new scans. There we go. Small, less than or equal to 300 million market cap. So yeah, this is one of the new scanners that they added. Check this out. That's pretty cool. BBD. Let's see how well. Let's see. Let's try this out. Is there a float option? It also has these scanners as well, guys, so bear with me. I'm playing with this new scanner, so just bear with me. Okay, so this is what I'm showing up on my scanner list, which isn't bad, and this should show up as it gets better. So like we're gonna see. And then we can look at the over the last minute. So this is great. Interesting. Let's check the day. Yeah, so these are all the biggest movers over the last day. Interesting here. So let's watch it. Again, though, I&O, TAOP, and KXIN, as well as ASRT are the 4 or 5 favorite ones right now that we're watching. We'll see what they do. I'm still obviously a little weird about them. Hey, what's up, Frank? Yeah, Rain, something's off with the channel, and the channel's acting weird. But it's not just me, it's all these other channels too. Issues with YouTube. Yeah, Big Worm, bro. It's strange, bro. It's off today, man. Usually we've got like 1,000 people here right now, and so it's a little weird. What is basically going on though, I think, is they're having issues with like keywords. SO&M is popping up and then coming right back down. But yeah, from what I understand, like, the keywords are not showing up. The keywords are not ranking, basically, any of them, for a large majority of channels. Now, not all of them, but for a large majority of channels, nothing is ranking. You know, we got a few that are ranking, but But yeah, most channels, their keywords aren't ranking. And so yeah, it's like my stream is not showing up in any of the search. Weird. Yeah, there's some weirdness going on with YouTube, guys, to be honest. Yeah. I'm using Benzinga, yeah. Yeah. It's weird. It's weird, bro. It's weird. Hey, what's up, DS? What's up, Rick? So I see LGVN show up. Look at LGVN here. But no volume here. I see FTech, FTEK. Yeah, for sure, James. It's weird, man. Something's weird. Usually I pop up in search, but today it's not. And again, it's not just me. This is a lot of other channels as well, to be honest. This is a bunch of channels doing the same thing. And so, like, it's a little weird. Yeah, it's a little off. Here, hold on, guys. I'm going to mute it real quick. I'll be... Hey guys, I appreciate the support, Robert, for sure, bro. But yeah, it's even getting worse. See, now we're losing even more subscribers. It's strange, guys. Yeah, for sure, Robert. You're good, brother. You're good, bro. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, I know you have. I see you here every day, Robert. You're supportive, brother. You know, you're all good, bro. I appreciate it. You know. But like I said, guys, all I ask is that if I do close the stream down, y'all understand why. It's not because I'm trying to abandon y'all. It's just because there's weirdness going on with my channel. And, you know, in the end, I would rather protect my channel now than have to worry about something, you know, else happening in the future because I ignore issues that are happening right now. You know what I mean? So it's like I got to be precautionary and defensive over the channel if I want to grow it. Yeah, it's just acting off today. It's just strange. Keywords aren't showing up. Yeah, what's up, Matt? Yeah, they're Benzinga scanners. Yeah, it's just off. It's weird. Keywords aren't showing up at all. None of my keywords are working. Literally none of them. Weird. What was that? Oh. Hey, thank you, James. I appreciate the subscribe, brother. Thank you, man. Yeah, thank you, Ren. Yeah, we hit 64,000 subscribers, which is great. You know, I'm super proud of it. And yeah, we broke 64K. We're up like 40 subscribers today alone, but you know, it's just weirded me out, to be honest. It's just weirded me out. Usually, you know, usually I'm ranking for keywords, and today nothing is ranking. It's just strange. Yeah, right, Jason. Over the last 2 weeks, I've lost about probably about 500 subscribers. And again, I'm sure, you know, my haters are gonna be like, "Well, you just suck, John," and like, yeah, maybe that's true. But like, the reality is, it's very common. It's a very common thing with YouTube right now. So like, I don't know if they're doing a purge or like what's going on with it, but yeah, it's a very common thing going on right now. Yeah. Hey, thank you, AJ. Hey, damn, dude, that's great, bro. I appreciate that, dude. I gotta check the currency. Hey, that's 40 bucks, bro. Hey, thank you, man. That's a big donation, brother. Thank you, dude. I appreciate it, bro. Hey, maybe. Hey, thank you, Todd. I appreciate that, brother. Yeah, like I said, all I ask, guys, is that if I do have to close it down today, y'all don't get too upset. You know what I mean? Y'all don't get too upset. Thank you, though. Thank you, both of you. AJ, my man, appreciate the support, brother. Hey, it's okay if you lurk in here, brother. I appreciate the support. And yeah, like, we're watching some stuff, guys, but it's just a weird day. It's a weird day in that, like, we're not ranking at all with anything. But yeah, thank you, Todd. Thank you, AJ, thank you, brother. Hey, happy to have you here, AJ. I appreciate the love and support. I certainly do, bro. And yeah, thank you, man. Thank you very much, brother. Same thing with you, Todd. You're always supportive, brother, so I appreciate the love. I genuinely do. Yeah. You rank #1 in your hearts. Hey, thank you, Hefe. I appreciate that, brother. Thank you, dude. Yeah, I mean, like I said, guys, all I could really ask, like, is that there's clearly some keyword issues going on with YouTube right now. Like, it's strange. Like, the way YouTube is acting right now is strange for me, at least. And so, hey, y'all hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Whoa. Even my revenue dropped. What? Odd, man. Let me look at this. See, it sucks too, because like yesterday we were back to a great day. We got our subscribers back, and then today there's just more issues, man. This is just continuous, though. Weird. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, I know, Robert, bro. It's happening to everybody, bro. Yeah, for sure, James. I appreciate the support. Hey, thank you, Augustin. Thank you. I appreciate the support, team. Yeah, I'm not even in the subscription section. weird. Hopefully they get it straight, you know. Like I said, guys, because like I'm one of those YouTubers that don't sell a course, don't sell a service, and I'm critical of like scams in the market. So like for them to do that to me and then not do that to like the big time gurus that are actually out here scamming people that I'm calling out, you know, that would be off. But I don't think it's them. I think they're just having data issues. They've been having weirdness over the last few weeks with YouTube, really since the 10th, or since the 5th. So the last 10 days, there have been a lot of issues with YouTube and all that stuff. I'm going to reach out to creator support and see if they can look into this too. Hey, thank you, Bishop. Hey, thank you, Rain. Weird. Yeah, y'all are good. I mean, like I said, guys, I don't know what I'm going to plan on doing yet. I'll give it another 10 minutes. I'll see if I can talk to creator support and see what happens here. Coin's up, so I am sitting in coin here. Yeah, maybe so. Hey, what's up, Float Checker? Hey, yes, sir, we're checking it out for sure. And I appreciate the support, guys. I genuinely do. I'm gonna have to reach out to YouTube and see what's up. Let's see how we find it. that song was political. I mean, not that I don't support it, but you know, gotta keep the political stuff out of here. Hey, sorry guys, give me 1 second. I'm chatting with the live support here team, so bear with me, guys. Guys and ladies and gentlemen. Hold on 1 second. Alright, so I can't check on the chat. I'll be there to check on the chat in a second, guys. I see CAAS pop up. Alright, guys. Yeah, I'm reaching out to them now. Thank you, Shay. I appreciate it. Hey, we're trying to switch the music up. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on with the channel. So y'all bear with me. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, Genie. Yeah. Hey, Jeff. Hey, we'll see, Mike. WHLM. I see WAFU showing up. AACG showing up. I see ONCS. But yeah, I'm talking to YouTube right now. It's just weird. So you guys are saying my channel's not showing up anywhere. That's unusual. I'm trying to figure out what the bottom, what's going on with it now. Wish me luck, guys. So we're looking at INO as well. INO's pushing up. We'll see what happens with this one. I'm skeptical of it, but like, we'll see. Ronan. I need stock in Pokemon right now. Hey, what's up, John O? How you doing, brother? Yeah, I'm gonna watch Ayato today. Hey, what's up, Jarrett? Yeah, Armando, it's the same thing, man. A lot of people are saying the same thing, that they couldn't find my channel. I'm sure it's just a glitch, and they'll get it fixed. But I'm asking them right now, and that's what yeah, 100% Cole. That's exactly what it is, bro. So it's good to see we got almost 500 people that are gonna watch the stream regardless. But yeah, Cole, it's not just me. It seems to be an at least that's a good issue. At least it's not just me, is what I mean. Yeah, it has to be a bug with YouTube. I had to click your channel to find the stream. It didn't just pop up. Yeah, 100%. It's weird. You can confirm I couldn't find it. I went to my history and clicked your channel from there, Jeff. Hey, I appreciate the support regardless, guys. Yeah, listen, if you guys want to avoid this, just hit the notification bell. If you hit the bell next to the subscribe button, you'll get an alert anytime we go live, drop a new video. And yeah, I appreciate it. We'll see. I mean, since we're 30 minutes away from the open, what I'll probably do today, guys, is we'll probably just trade the opening bell and, you know, come back tomorrow. Like, I'm probably not going to sit here that long. I'll end up cashing out for the push-up donations, guys, and I appreciate the support. Like I said, I hope you guys understand. Like, I do this live every day. Like, I'm here live every day. Like, I spend more time here than I probably do with my kids. You know what I mean? Not really. Like, I spend enough time with my kids. But my point is that, like, I'm very consistent on this live stream, and so if I'm noticing an issue that I need to get to the bottom of, and if I have to sacrifice one day out of hundreds, you know, I don't think I've missed a day for a long time. But if I have to sacrifice one day for that, you know, if you're really supportive, that should make a lot of sense, and you should understand that. Because, yeah, in the end, you know, one day is less important to me than, you know, the future of this channel, right? And so, you know, that's ultimately what I have to focus on, and I hope you guys understand. I'm looking at INO, though, TAOP, and then KXIN. Those three are what we're really watching, and then we're going to throw ASRT in the mix there as well. Yeah, for sure. And I appreciate the support, guys. no. Oof. Accidentally clicked on some random stream. Yeah, she's asking for a video. I can make a video real quick. Hold on, let me show her. Here, bear with me, guys. I'm gonna have to do this real quick, just to show her. She wants a video of it, so I could probably do that. Hold on one second. Let me show her. Y'all bear with me for a second. I'm gonna have to do this. Let me minimize this real quick, and y'all chill for a second. Hold on. Let me do this. So here's beginner trading, right? I'm gonna record now, and then we're gonna scroll down and see nothing. You know, no beginner trading channel anywhere, which is weird because this is my literal keyword. It's my channel's name. You know, strange. Anyways, that video should suffice. Let's stop that recording and let's send it to her. Oh wait, I might have talked too much on that one actually. Let me redo this without talking. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Alright, let's do it again. So here's my actual channel name, Beginner Trading, and we're scrolling down, and it's not showing up whatsoever. You know, no channel at all, which is very strange for a channel my size. You know, I've got 64K. Usually it shows up, and everybody is basically saying that they can't find my channel this morning, that my channel is gone, that they had to manually go to my channel just to see the live event, and so it's something is strange with it today. All right, that'll be the recording, guys. Let me know. Give me a rating for that recording. You know, 1 out of 10. Let's see. 2 out of 10 maybe. You know, we'll see. Yeah, maybe. Alright, let's listen to this. There's videos. What? Videos. Show recordings. Here it is. Alright. That should suffice, guys. That should be good enough. What? Sorry, team. Hold on. I'm trying to send. Sorry, I'm here. I'm gonna stick around. We're gonna trade the open, but I'm trying to get this figured out, guys. So bear with me. Hold on. Where can I put this? This is gonna go on desktop right there. There we go. I don't know if it's letting me show a video. Sorry guys, give me 1 second. I'm talking back and forth with YouTube about the issues that everybody brought up today. I see TAOP, it's up to 809s, guys, 809s. We're watching that. And so bear with me. I'm trying to find this video. I don't know if it's going to let me send it, though. I don't know if it's actually letting me send this type of video on YouTube. So here's my actual... Weird. It's open in Google Chrome. Okay, cancel. that's why I got it. Okay, hold on, guys. There we go. Exit out of that. Switch this here. All right, there we go. Now it's in desktop. All right. How you doing, chat? Y'all doing okay over there? Yeah, I see the same thing, Paul. BHAT and MGI. Yeah, we'll check those out. There's MGI. MGI MoneyGram pushing up. It's kind of like Walmart's version of Western Union is what this is. Yeah, okay. Let me see. Is it back? Yeah, I'm not showing up at all. Yeah, not on my end at least. Weird. And like I see it show up, but it's my old video from yesterday. So like today's videos completely just don't have any keywords showing up. It doesn't look like it's only me though. It looks like it's a few people. Interesting. Let's put on some music while we wait. Sorry, guys. Bear with me here, team. All right, but yeah, MGI looks good. I see EZGO pop up on the list too. Here's EZGO. We're going to see what happens there, but I'm watching both of those. The crazy one is... Hey, what's up, Death Star? What's up, Cal? Hey, nice, brother. Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, alright, y'all okay? Good. Yeah, the problem, if you're just not joining the stream, is that, like, nothing is showing up on my channel. Like, all my subscribers, most of you guys at least, have come to me and they said, hey, your video didn't show up this morning. Your video's not on my feed. Your video's not on the back. Your video didn't get a notification for it. I basically had to go manually find your video and you know, go straight to your channel and then find the live that way, you know. A lot of my normal channels didn't pop up. Yeah, and that makes me feel better. I mean, in the end, we'll see what happens today. But yeah, it's certainly slow. Weird. Strange. Yeah. Hey, thank you guys. At least it's not just me. You know, that's the only. Hey, thank you, Andy. Yeah, it's weird. Yeah, it must be the pineapple pizza talk that we had yesterday. Listen, I'll say it again, guys. I'll say it again. I said it. Pineapples don't belong on pizza. They just don't. They don't mix well with pizza. You know, pineapple pizza is not good. It's not good. You know. To go back to the chocolate cake argument, listen, chocolate cake's delicious. Pineapples on pizza, not good. You know, not good at all. And so, hey, don't get mad at me for speaking the truth. These are facts. Everybody else is scared to say it. I'll say it. Pineapple's just not good on pizza. What do you want me to do? Now, we got INO breaking down. It's under 10. We're seeing it. Daniel. Oh, no, don't do it, Daniel. Don't do it, brother. Don't do it, man. Hey, we got 20 minutes until the open. Yeah, it's just weird. It's just strange. We're getting really low views. Yeah. Everybody knows. We're gonna get a poll going on. Alright, guys. Yeah, so what it has to do with keywords, guys, is really what's going on. And I'm still I'm surprised that the channel, listen, even with no keywords, with no notifications, with no showing up on the homepage, the channel, we still got 500 people here, basically. So, like, hey, you know who the real ones are, guys. I appreciate the love. Hey, thank you, West Virginian. I appreciate that, brother. Yeah, like I said, we'll stay until the open, but like, you know, we'll see what happens after that. This has happened to me before though, so like what makes me feel a little bit better is that this has happened to me before. Like this happened to me last year or a few years ago, and eventually the next day everything was fine, everything was good. But what happened is that this happened before, and eventually everything rolled back to normal. We were good, and nothing really changed too much. But yeah. It's just weird. It's weird that I'm not showing up at all in search at all. That's the strange part. And so I'm sure the channel's fine, but it's just weird. I can type in beginner trading, and I should certainly show up in live there, but even that doesn't show up. So it's weird. Alright, let me see. Alright, so yeah, INO, I'm sorry, INO's moving up. We still got MGI here. Here's MGI. So MGI gapped up and then eventually fell back down. I'm still looking at TAOP. Here's TAOP at 770, 780s. So we're watching that too. But yeah. Weird. Hey, thank you, Michael. I appreciate that, brother. Thank you, man. We're looking at AMC. AMC's gapping up. It looks good. It's unfortunate because like usually AMC days are big days. Here's ZKIN, NFT play, trying to make a move up. KXIN still trying, but fading back down a little bit. So we got some movement since the open. It's still a little slow, but we got INO, we got TAOP, we have what was the other one? We have INO, TAOP, and KXIN are really the only ones. TAOP is looking okay. Like TAOP is moving up. It's at 790s, guys. So we're watching that. We'll see what happens there, but we're watching all those too. Hey, what's up, Hiromi? Hey, thank you, brother. $5. Hey. Thank you, brother. With small caps being slow, what are your thoughts on scalping big name stocks like Tesla? Would you apply the same strategy? No, I don't use the same strategies with big and with mid and high caps. I use a little bit different strategies with them. Now, I'm not saying you can't use red to green moves. I just think red to green moves with those type of stocks are going to be a lot more. There's going to be a lot more fake outs in mid and high caps because that's where the algorithms are playing. And so what I usually do here is I try to focus on. What I usually do here is I try to focus on. Big momentum breaks with mid and high caps. Like when I'm scalping mid and high caps, if we look at what's a mid and high cap, Tesla. You know, Tesla's a good example. Tesla mid and high caps are going to be like this. This is how I usually trade them. Okay, so number one is that you have to wait for a trend to form. Like you have to wait for a volatile market. You have to wait for a trend to form. And I think this is the most effective way to trade mid and high caps is that you got to wait for volatility and volume, right? You need a stock to be trending. Like Tesla, for instance, has been on fire the last few weeks, right? And so the way I would trade this is, you know, it's trending really nice on the 13th. It trended really nice yesterday, even if it was on the opposing direction. And so with that, Tesla has been trending really well. You want to identify what sectors and what stocks are actually trending like that. And then what you want to do with these, and what I do at least a lot of the time, is then you want to trade with that trend with momentum. Like, right, you want to trade with that trend with momentum. And so if you see stuff like this, you know, what do? You simply buy these pullback trends. You buy these little pullbacks here. This is what I did at least. I'd buy these. I'm not telling you you should. I'm just saying this is how you attack a trend. You know, you attack support, you attack resistance, you know, you trade with the trend. You know, you buy it here, you buy it on these pullbacks, and you can see if you do that with Tesla, you know, it's going to work. At least yesterday, it would have worked more than it wouldn't have, right? And so that's how you approach it. You got to look at the same thing on the opposing side if you're short, right? What do? You short into these bounces when a stock is trending. You know, if it's obvious and it's trending in a specific direction over and under the VWAP, that's how you got to approach it. That's what I do at least. Angry John? I don't know if I'm angry today, Eddie. I'm not super angry. J-Lo and A-Rod split up this morning? How sad, man. How sad, bro. Maybe Lucid, maybe, brother. I might consider that. I don't know. No, Armin, I rarely set stop losses, but I'm scalping, right? So I'm trading completely differently than most people, and I'm taking very quick short-term trades, like very, very quick short-term trades. So I'm getting in and out incredibly fast, and yeah, I'm taking positions very, very quick, and so I'm monitoring them so close to where I don't really need a stop loss. Now, it still gets me in trouble sometimes. I don't really recommend it, especially if you're a new trader, but just with my own style and system that I've built, you know, usually I get in, and then my hand is over the cover button. So, like, if I need to sell, I mark it out even if I have to. And so for that reason, I don't set stop losses like that. But again, I think new traders should, and new traders should get into the habit of it. A lot of, like, I still have a profitable system, but a lot of the trades you see me do are I've been doing for a long, long time. And so I've gotten really efficient at it, where if you're a new trader, you know, you might not have that type of understanding about movement to benefit from it, if that makes sense. I see VENAR. We have INO. But again, like to go back to the trend trading thing, like the most important thing is identifying that trend and waiting for volatile markets. Like if you attack a slow market that's choppy, like you're gonna lose. Like if you go to Tesla and look at where it was slow, you know, like let's look. Trending, somewhat trending, but a little bit more choppy. Still trending here. So again, like Tesla is one of those stocks that trends really well. Look at this, for instance, right? So, you know, upward trend. And this is why the VWAP is valuable, right? We got an upward trend here. We break below it, downward trend, right? And the VWAP's identifying that trend. The VWAP's identifying that trend. And so, if you pull back on these bounces, profitable trade, losing trade. You know what I mean? And then once you hit that losing trade, you can say, okay, well, the trend might be done, you know. Then you can, once it breaks under the VWAP, again, indicating that downward trend, then what can you do? You could short into these pops. You could short into these bounces. Here's the bounce. And so, you know, that's how you approach it. But again, it has to be trending. If it's not trending and it's sideways like this, it's going to be noticeably harder. You know, if it's sideways, you know, even though this is a big range up and down, it's still going to be noticeably harder. Same thing with a lot of these. And so it's about identifying a trend and identifying volatility in a specific stock or sector and then attacking that trend with scalps is what I used to do. And it works really well too. I still do it sometimes if everything else is slow. You know, I'll nudge over into that market, but that's what I usually do. What's up, Ryan? Yeah, just to give everybody a perspective, guys. Something is off with the keywords on YouTube. So, like the keyword system is being weird, especially for my channel right now. And so, with that, you know, I'm talking to YouTube right now about it, but it doesn't look like I'm the only one. It looks like there's a lot of other people that are experiencing this issue, which makes me feel a little bit better about it. I'm still not necessarily happy about it, but you know, I feel a little bit about it, a little bit better about it, and yeah, hopefully they get it straight. Last time this happened was about a year ago, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Hey, thank you, POV, thank you, brother. Let me check what you said, dude. Is Benzinga released a new screener today? Any insight as the difference compared to the current? Yeah, so Benzinga did release a new screener. I'm working on it now, learning it. I'll put it up once I learn it a little bit better, but they did release a new screener today. Let me check exactly what this one's called. Let me see. And yeah, guys, we got 8 minutes. Like I said, to put it into perspective, keywords are issues today, so like there's not that much action with keywords. And so understand that like my channel's not showing up for a lot of people. It's not just me, it's a lot of different channels. So we were gonna have lower viewers today. It doesn't mean my channel is failing, guys. It doesn't mean, you know, everybody hates me. It just, there's issues with the keywords today, so I'm sure it'll be back tomorrow. With that said, though, we're probably not going to stream that long today because of this, and yeah, I'm checking into the Benzinga scanners right now, guys. Hopefully we'll get some good movement. I can try to build a scan before the open. Alright. Oh, it's going to be released tomorrow, or today at 4:30 p.m. is when it comes out. So at 4:30 p.m. today is when the new scanner drops. So it's not out right now. Basically, this is out. I'll give you a little bit of hype on this scanner, okay? Customers have been asking for it for a long time. It helps find stocks that are moving in real time. So it's a real-time scanner for Benzinga, which I think is a great addition. I think Benzinga needs that, and I think that's a great thing that they're adding to their system. You can search for the type, exchange, sector, price, market cap, volume, average volume, previous close, change percent in 1 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 60 minute, open and close, float, relative volume, short interest. They're really excited for it. Let me see if we can check this out. I'm trying out the beta version of this right here, guys. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you that, but we're in the beta section now. Let me see. Nice. Yeah. Hold on, guys. Alright, so we can check the exchanges. Nice. Sector. Price. I want $1 to $15. Market cap. I don't want anything over 300 million. Here's what we're gonna check. Anything over 300 million. Volume, I need at least 2 million. Let's see what happens with that. Alright, let's see. Yeah, hey, like I said, we're gonna keep the channel rolling, but like, yeah, like I said, you guys just gotta understand the alarm of that. Like, you know, like most people in my situation are gonna be extremely concerned, and you guys gotta understand the YouTube algorithm where you get less views, they're gonna give you less views. You know what I mean? And so like that's gonna alarm any content creator that has dedicated a lot of time to something like this. So, you know what I mean? Of course I'm gonna be worried about it, you know, but like I said, it's not just me. There's a lot of other channels experiencing the same thing, which gives me a little bit of comfort knowing that it's not just me. And again, this has happened once. I remember this happening once, like a long time ago, like 2 years ago, and eventually the views came right back. Eventually everything popped right back, and we were good. But it did happen once a while back, you know. No, Cal's supported, brother. Cal's cool. Hey, I mean, I can fix the green screen. Hold on, team. Yeah, let me fix the green screen real quick, guys. There we go. That should be better. That way I don't look all weird. Hey, what's up, hero? You just now popped up in my alert. Hey, yeah, I'm having them look into it right now. Yeah, for sure. Hey, Mad Mike, hey, what's up, brother? Hey, yeah, you're good. Alright, guys, here's the bell. Good luck, team. Let's do this. TAOP is probably my top watch at the open. We're also going to watch ASRT, KXIN. Everything's pretty slow right now, though, guys, but we got some stuff that we can pay attention to. Nice. Yeah, and I'm in coin. So, like, coin's bouncing a little bit. We're going to see what happens. I'm in coin right now, too. Here's coin. And so we're in coin. You know, we're going to see what we get, but we're in coin. Yeah, I'm in coin right now. I got 2 shares. But hey, it's more of an investment now. It wasn't when I got in, but now it's an investment. Don't judge me. I would love to act like it was my plan all along, but like that would be a little bit misleading. Alright guys, here's the bell. We're gonna get ready to trade the first 30 minutes maybe, and we're probably gonna close it down afterwards, guys. 5 seconds. Good luck, team. Let's do this. Alright, there's the bell. Alright, so here's the bell. Bear with me, guys. Let's see if we get these scanners working. There we go. ASRT's pushing up a little bit. Coin is right here. I'm looking at KXIN. I'm looking at TAOP. Alright, so TAOP is dropping down some. Alright, well, I just got off YouTube support. Basically, they said they're going to email me. BTN? Weird. Basically, they said they're going to email me. Alright, so here's BTN. This is frozen? What happened? Alright, look, we're considering buying this. Alright, so we're with 100 shares here. I just want to see if the volume's going to pick up. If not, I'll bail out. Coins taking down, dropping. INPX is pushing up a little bit. Alright, we're at 300 shares here. See if we can break this high. There we go. I got out a half there. Another half. Another half. Caught the rip. Caught the 1 minute pullback. Got a little bit more there. Only holding 10 shares. We're going to get out the rest here now. That's a big whip. Yeah, we're done. So, not bad for the first 2 minutes of the market open, guys. We'll see what happens with BTN on the rest. Huge rip up, though. Look at BTN. Huge squeeze. Volume came in nicely. Yeah, I do spray can, but sometimes we don't always follow our rules. And that's certainly me today. AMC down, GameStop down. Still looking at TAOP, see if we get some reversals. Now is what I'm really watching for. Yeah, hey, I appreciate it, Martin. Thank you, brother. Hey, nice Jenny. Yeah, it's just weird. Like, it's just weird. It's obviously a glitch, though. JOB pushing up, guys, after a big drop, but the market is very, very dull right now. We got KINS. We've got BTN. We got TAOP. BTN's still moving. This is the only one that looks good right now. We kind of caught the trend. Yeah, I don't usually buy in the first 5 minutes, but it's subjective. Like, I'm gonna take whatever trades you know, I think will work, and so, you know, I decided to jump in that one. But I don't recommend it, especially if you're new. I think I'm just struggling to find something to trade, so I may be taking trades I normally wouldn't just because it's so slow, to be honest. KXIN down, AMC down, GameStop down. INO. Yeah, INO's up. It needs to get over the VWAP though. The VWAP's gonna reject it a ton. And so that's my concern, is that the VWAP's gonna reject it a lot. Yeah, and there's the VWAP rejecting it. And this is what happens a lot of the time. If you guys hear me say, like, I never buy a stock below the VWAP. If the stock is below the VWAP, especially if the VWAP is right above it, VWAP's going to reject these things a huge percentage of the time. At least a little bit. Now, it might rebound some, but, like, it's going to happen a ton. We're watching it still, but, like, we're gonna wait. OGI ripping. Yeah, OGI still needs more volume though, that's the problem. We're waiting. AMC. As much as I hate to talk about it, AMC squeezing up big here. Look at AMC now. That's crazy. Alright, there's AMC, still up. APHA, yeah, we're watching that too. Any? Yeah, we're looking at any. AMC, guys. AMC's up big here, guys. Up to 996. Let's see what happens at 10 bucks. Here's AMC, though. It's ripping up. Let's see what happens at 10 here. Here's 10. We're going to watch that to see what happens. Alright, what else we got? Yeah, David, yeah, there's something weird happening today. It's all good, bro. Like I said, I've had this happen once before. It'll go back to normal tomorrow. CTRM, hey, listen, I might buy this pullback, guys. I don't know if I want to. We're going to have to buy 1,000 shares of this thing. Alright, we went with 1,000 shares real quick. We'll add some more on the drop, too. Maybe we'll add another 1,000. See if we get a pop up there to like 50. We got to drop down to 48. Like I said, we'll add a little bit more risk of about, you know, a little bit under that. All right, so CTRM, it needs to get over 50. 50 might act as a resistance level, but we're still watching it. I see VTVT push up some here also. I see MDVL show up as well, so Coinbase is bouncing a little bit. Hey, it feels good though that we got about 700 people here that, you know, would find the channel regardless. You know, so I appreciate the love, guys. Yeah. Oh man. Now we gotta have a half there. We're holding 500 left. There's 49s. See if we bounce at 49. There's a little bit of a bounce. A little bit more there. There's 50. Nice. Now we got out. We made about 10 bucks. Caught the little bounce. AMC's ripping up though. We got $10 there. We're watching that. We got VTVT that we're watching too. Not enough volume quite for this one, but hey, 2 green trades in the books, guys. So I'm happy with that. You know, we'll take it. We're up 30-something bucks today. You know, we're green. Made our money on BTN and CTRM. BTN is back over the VWAP. Speaking of BTN here, volume's just not nearly good enough for me at this point. Up here it was a little slow. I probably should have taken that first trade, but like I'll be all right. Here's KXIN, maybe pulling a red to green move. Like if we get over 270s and then pull back, then I'm interested. Any AI and Y or A and Y? Yeah, A and Y is ripping up here. The volume's still okay. It's not quite at the level I want it to be though. I see AHT. AMC still heavy ripping, guys. Still heavy ripping. Beautiful red to green move. Pull back to the VWAP cup and handle. Beautiful move there. Beautiful move there. We'll see what happens here, though, guys. We're still trading. Yeah. All right, so there's the bounce at AMC. It's continuing to rip up. I see MSGM too. INPX, we got any here. ANY is kind of the best one, I guess. The volume's still not quite good enough, but we're watching the ANY trend. Here's BTN. Now, BTN looks okay, too. The volume's just not quite good enough there, so we need volume to come in for both of these. VENAR, guys. VENAR is making an interesting move here, but AMC and GameStop are really the ones that are moving the most. Yeah. Alright, I see INPX showing up here. Here's INPX. We're watching that. It's at 130s here. 136. We're watching that. Yeah, I see AMC ripping up. INO too. Yeah, for sure. I see all these. They don't look bad. Here's INO. Like, if INO gets over 10 and holds, then we're talking. Like, if it gets over 10 and the VWAP and holds, then I might buy a little bit. We'll see. SNCA, INO rejecting the VWAP here. INPX is over it, but the float is too large for this one. The range is too small. AMC pulling back a little bit here. I'm going to buy on this bounce, though, guys. We just bought 100 shares of AMC. Trying to ride this bounce up. Now we're getting out here. A little bit more. We're going to hold this 25 shares, see what else we can do. We're gonna let this last little 25 shares ride. INO hit the VWAP. INO did hit the VWAP. We're gonna get out basically break even here for AMC. It's fine. All right, we're looking for a pullback here for INO. We get a pullback to here. We'll buy some 17s. Never quite got the pullback we were looking for. 17s, 18s. Yeah, CTRM making big rips, big squeezes. I like it. I don't know if I'm feeling the song, guys. Alright, I wanted a pullback here. I never got it. I'm still looking for the pullback here. We'll see if we get it. We're scalping a little bit of CTRM here. It's got out a little bit more. Holding 500 shares left of this. Get a sell out here. Holding 250 left. See if we get a bounce real quick. There we go. There's the bounce. So we can pop right back up. There it is. All right, so we are up. You know, we're up good today. We're up about 50 bucks pretty early in the first 25 minutes of the day. I'll take that. No losses. Made our money with CTRM, BTN, and a little bit on AMC. A little bit on AMC. We'll see. We got CNET guys popping up. CNET ripping up here. Yeah. Sorry, I'm just There we go. So CNET popped off and then failed here. Made a lot of money on CTRM. And again, the scale up in size is going very well. You know, if you guys haven't been able to tell, the scale up in size is going pretty nice. BTN, CTRM, great volume today with it. Not one I usually trade, but we bought a few thousand shares of this thing today and have been making our money with it. Yeah, that 50-cent pullback is what I really bought into electric. So like this is the pullback I just bought into right here. It was, like with the sub-dollar stock, you know, you gotta look at milestone levels, right? So like 50 cents milestone level. When we break over that milestone level and get a pullback to it, it's profitable. You know, it's profitable. Yeah, it's slow right now, Gustavo, for sure, bro. Alright, so here's 50 cents. We'll see if it actually holds now. I mean, that's the big thing. I think this is one of the only movers in the market at this point. We got AMC moving a little bit. I see tops and here's tops. Here's SEAC. what's up, Leo? Yeah, and again, if you're just now joining us, guys, we've had some type of issue with keywords and like people not being able to see my channel. So if you've experienced that today, again, let me know in the chat. It's off. It's weird. It's very strange. So yeah, if you're experiencing that, let me know. AMC ripped back up over 10 here, guys. Over 10 for AMC. Looks good. Looks strong. Yeah, I'm in Doge right now on Kraken. Let's see what everything's at. Oof. Ooh, everything is up today, guys. My uni trade is beautiful right now. Sell a little bit of our uni. Alright, so AMC did bounce there. We're watching for that. GameStop. And maybe we'll trade a little bit of AMC if it looks good. You know? Alright. I'll add a little bit more here. See if I can day trade this for AMC. Alright. Alright, we're with 20 shares of AMC. Yeah, I gotta sell some of these uni shares on Kraken, guys, so bear with me for a second. Where's Unicorn? There it is. There we go. Alright, we're gonna sell 50%. Yeah, that's right. We're selling half of our unicorns. See if we got filled. We should have. Let's check it. Kraken died. Alright, good. Yeah, it's sold. We're up in a lot of other stuff too. I don't know. The app is easier to use than the platform. I think we heard those already. Yeah, I'm going through this DJ Dins playlist, guys, so just bear with me here, team. Like, we're going through this DJ Dins playlist. You know, we're gonna try to find some new music, but Green Day in the books right now. We're just gonna see if we can end green. We're not gonna stick around too long today. I already stayed here longer than I did last time. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of people had trouble finding the channel today. I use Thinkorswim. Yeah. ADA is up. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, a lot of people thought I wasn't live today. Whoa, AMC dropping big. Luckily, I got a good entry here, but man, huge tank. We're going to let it test this and then bail out if it can't hold that. Somebody just unloaded big size for AMC. Yeah, y'all hit that subscribe button, guys. Yeah, AMC's tanking down. I'm probably gonna bail out here. It might bounce, but you know we lost. That's our first loss of the day. We'll accept it. You know, we'll accept it. Yeah, it's not the gurus. It's not the gurus. It is something to do with so YouTube. Just to put it in perspective, YouTube has been having issues for the last like week, or really it's since the 5th. So it's been the last 10 days that YouTube has had a lot of issues with their platform. When it comes to like subscribers, like people have been losing subs like crazy. Like it's a very common thing. It's like another purge, they're calling it, where people are just losing subs like crazy. I included. It started on the 5th, and then since then we've had data issues. We've had a lot of issues with YouTube in the last few weeks. Of course, I can't complain. Like I'm very blessed to be here and grateful to have this channel and all of you guys here. But yeah, YouTube's been having data issues certainly the last 10 days. It's affecting a lot of other channels, and yeah, today my keywords are acting strange. Yeah. Yeah, who here hasn't subscribed yet? Come on, guys. Everybody's trying it. Just try it one time. But yeah, I'm out of AMC. You know, I don't see anything else that looks good. Hold on, I'm going to mute everything for a second. Alright, guys. Yeah, I think I'm going to close it down. I don't see anything else. Nothing looks good to me. We made about 50 bucks today already. We made about 45 bucks, maybe 42. Let me see. We made $43 today, which is fine. And yeah, I'm going to go to close it down. There's nothing going on. Channel slow right now. YouTube is going to get back to me about the issues that we had today. But it's slow anyways, guys. And so, yeah, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. We tried to keep the stream going some here. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and close it down. There's just nothing exciting right now. Everything's slow and boring. Nothing is really moving like we want it to. And yeah, we're having keyword and channel issues as a whole anyway. So we're going to close it down. We'll be back tomorrow as always, like we always are. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. So good luck. Oh, let me do my push-ups, guys. Hey, thank you, Unicorn. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, we got a bunch of likes for how many people are watching. Again, though, the problem is some type of data issue with YouTube because for some reason their data has been just iffy, you know. And really, if the same thing happens tomorrow, then I'm gonna, we'll have to figure out what we're gonna do. But and this has happened before. Historically, it went right back to how it was before the last time it happened. But yeah, it's just something we got to pay attention to, I'm not trading that one, Owen. VENAR. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look bad. The volume's really nice, but it's just not something I generally trade. Very rangy, less than $1. No setup so far. I'm curious to see if it breaks $1 though. $1, looks like an interesting level to watch, but I don't know which way it's gonna go. Yeah, Sam, stop trying to start stuff for no reason, brother. Who cares if she's going over there, man? Let her go do her thing. It doesn't matter. Most people pull a bunch of different streams up at once. Like, what's the significance of that? Anyways, I'll go ahead and start doing these push-ups, and yeah, we'll see you guys a little bit later. Thank you guys for the push-ups. How many I got today? We have 79. That should be pretty easy here, guys. Let me go ahead and do these real quick. Let me fix this. Sorry, guys. Loud, I know. All right, let me do these push-ups. Let me fix the camera here, team. We'll do these push-ups, and I'm going to get out of here. All right, guys, we got 79 we got to do. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. All right, there's 40 real quick. All right, we got a little 40 in there. We got about 39 to go. Yeah, hey, I appreciate it, Daniel. Thank you for the support, brother. Hey, later, Henry. Have a good day, brother. Yeah, like I said, channel's acting weird today, so we're going to come back tomorrow. They're supposed to be emailing me. I got YouTube looking into it. I talked to them. And so they're supposed to be emailing me back, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully, they're like, yeah. I think it's a pretty known issue, though. And so I don't think it's just happening to me. I think it's happening to a lot of different traders. All right. 22, what? Yeah, just live trading. No, I mean, the headline is what we talk about and what we trade, right? So we trade AMC, GameStop. We traded Coin IPO. We're in Coin IPO now. Losing, but we're in it now. No, I mean, like I said, the headline has been... I've been using this headline for a while. It's just all the stuff we talk about on the stream. The stream goes for 6 hours, and other channels are doing the same thing. You know what I mean? So it's not. It doesn't have anything to do with my headline. It's not that. Listen, it's not that. It's not that I'm lower ranked or anything like that. It's that none of the keywords I'm using are ranked for anything. Also, people are having a hard time seeing me. I'm not showing up on people's homepages. For some people, I'm not showing up in their subscriber feeds. And so, you know, it doesn't have anything to do with the title. I've been using titles like this for months, and I've gotten great views from it, and they've been great. It has to do with, again, it has to do with something on YouTube's end with regards to like data is most likely what it has to do with. No, nobody's messing with it. Hey, what's up, Daniel? Hey, thank you, brother. Yeah, we're just about to close it down, guys. So I'm gonna do these last. I'm gonna do some sit-ups, and then that's it. Whoa. So I'll see you guys later. Yeah, some of you guys could find me, but like most of you guys couldn't. At least that's what I heard this morning. Now it could be I started a little bit late, but like I've had a lot of people reach out to me like as soon as they came on the stream, and they've been like, "Yo, we couldn't see your channel this morning. Like your channel didn't show up." And if you search Beginner Trading Live, this stream doesn't show up on Beginner Trading Live, guys. That doesn't make any sense. Makes no sense. If you search Beginner Trading Live, the stream should show up. You know, that's the issue. You know what I mean? And so it's not, you know, it has nothing to do with anything but a data issue with YouTube, almost certainly. You know what I mean? I'm sure haters are going to be like, yeah, you just suck. I get it. That's a pleasant thought for them. I understand. But like the reality is, it has to do with some type of data issue on YouTube's end. Hey, thank you, Ramona. I appreciate it. You know, we got some people that appreciate it. Like I said, guys, we're just a resourcing community here. And so if I rant too much, you know, I apologize. We're just having fun most of the time. It's just banter back and forth. And I think that everything we do here is free. We don't charge a penny for anything. And I think that sometimes the bigger channels are going to try to make it seem like I don't know what I'm talking about in trading because they want you to pay, basically, is what it is. Or they're going to make it seem like they have something super special that I just don't offer. But the reality is, it's all free here. And most of the time, they're just trying to talk you into paying. But we're just a resource and community. So if you appreciate that, guys, hit the subscribe button, click the bell, turn on notifications. Don't be gullible with these gurus. Don't be gullible, because that's what they're looking for. Even people, like, I've seen a lot of people get wrapped up in gurus. And, like, the reality is, most trading content's out there for free. It just is. And, you know, in the end, you got to do what you got to do to protect your money in the beginning, because it's difficult. It's difficult to trade. And, you know, a lot of that money would be better spent towards experience in trading instead of spending it on that type of stuff. Yeah, a lot of people said they had to search for me. Yeah, for sure, Henry. Yeah, that's weird, Jason. That's strange, brother. Nah, I don't think it's that. IQ. Yeah, IQ says these gurus know. I don't think it's that. I think that gurus are gonna get scared because I'm threatening their business model. Realistically, like if I was them, I'd be scared, and I wouldn't like me. But in the end, like, y'all gotta understand, and YouTube better understand. And if YouTube ever does anything weird with my channel, y'all need to have my back, because y'all know I'm one of the only people out here being real and saying, hey, look, this is how it really is. You'll probably lose money. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm not being sensationalist. And so, like I said, y'all gotta have my back if anything ever like that does happen. I don't think YouTube would. I think it would make YouTube look bad, because, you know, again, if they're banning the one guy trying to be honest with people, yet promoting sensationalist people, that looks bad. But, like, you know, I guess it's just my opinion, and obviously I'm biased. But I'm going to go ahead and do these sit-ups. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow after that. Hey, thank you. Yeah, it's all about the rants, guys. You know. Alright, anyways, let me do these sit-ups. We got 40 sit-ups to do. I appreciate the donations today, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, and yeah, my coin, I'm getting my butt kicked on coin. And then we'll go ahead and do 20 more push-ups. Or 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out of here, guys. I'll see you guys later. Have a good day. Love you all. Good luck. We'll see you guys next time. And I appreciate you guys watching the channel. Hey, hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. We'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully, YouTube will get back to me sometime today and let me know what the deal is with them. But yeah, good luck. Appreciate all the love and support, guys. What's up, team? Yeah, I have Twitter. It's at Beginner Trades on Twitter. So it's at Beginner Trades. Here, I'll post it right here. Yeah. Y'all go follow me on Twitter. But yeah, later, guys. Have a good day, team. Yeah, it was strange to see your channel not on the listing. Yeah, for sure, bro. It's weird to me. Like I said, I've been doing this every day for years. It's off today, but it's all right. This has happened before, and I came back fine the next day. So, like, maybe it's just a weird glitch. I don't know. But, yeah, I'll see you guys later. Have a good day. Love you all. Appreciate the support, guys. Genuinely appreciate it. And, yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, guys.